Ba't pinadala mo pa? Kainin mo na lahat.
That's why they hire these people.
I'm just aggravated that I'm in the... Hala, tatawag ka ng pulis para ako ang kunin, para kunin ako at saka ilagay sa prisuhan.
So let me catch you. So let me catch you slipping by. Why do I get myself? Why do I get myself caught up in these lonely nights? Oh, why do I get myself? Why do I get myself?
Guys, tapos na ako naliligo. Nagmamadali ako, guys. I blow dry my hair. Dinalian ko kasi yesterday, sabi pa ni Tami, punta ka dun sa mailbox. Tignan mo kung meron na bang mail. Kasi, di ba, nasira yung mailbox namin nasira, nadaganan ng truck. So, yun ang nangyari. Send the post office, sabi pa nila, pag isend daw yung papel, kapag ready na ibigay at lahat ng mail sa amin. So, sabi pa ni Tami, tignan mo yung mailbox kasi baka meron ng mga bill or mga bayaran na dapat bayaran na hindi natin alam na hindi nila nilagay dito. Sabi ko, oo, sige na, kunin ko kahapon yun, kahapon ng hapon. Sige, kunin ko ng hapon. So ngayon, kailangan ko talagang i-check bago ako pagalitan na naman ng asawa ko, diba? Napagalitan na ako noon na dapat i-check ko talaga kahit pakarin ko pa doon. Ay, ang tapulan ko kasi, guys. So, yun. So, anyway, kunin ko muna yung kung meron man kaming mail kasi wala kami natanggap na na bayaran, guys, dahil wala kaming mail. So anyway, balikan ko kayo, ha. Hello. Good morning, B-boy. Nothing. What's going on with you? You don't call me.
Just come down.
Kinausap ko lang yung asawa ko, sandali. Ano ng oras, guys? 11:26 na ng umaga. Malapit nang mag-udto. Malapit nang mag-udto. Kakain pa pala, kids. Kakainin ko tong burger na binili namin ni Tami sa Burger King. So, marami siyang extra ang binili. So, nag-ano ako ng isa dito. Nagpabilin ako ng isa. Kasi pinadala ko sa kanya dahil pag may trabaho siya or gusto niyang magkakain, kung gusto niyang kakain, so yun. Pinadala ko sa kanya, sabi ko sa kanya, dalawa sa iyo, maliit at malaki, isa malaki sa akin. Para naman pag gutom ako, kakain ako. Ito sabi pa ng asawa, ba't pinadala mo pa? Kainin mo na lahat. Natawa ako sa asawa ko dahil yun ang sinabi talaga niya. Hindi naman Tagalog, guys. English, guys. Sa English niya sinabi. Sabi pa niya, ba't pinadala mo pa? Kainin mo na lahat. Sabi ko, anong ibig mo sabihin? Baboy, akit. Hindi naman ako pighan. Oy, pighan. Hindi naman, I'm not a pig. Oy, I'm not gonna have that all. So, natawa ako. So, Tagalogin natin kasi nakakatawa kapag itinagalig eh. Ito talagang Tagalog. Nakakatawi. Natawa lang ako sa sabi ng asawa ko. At saka pinadala, diba, nag-order din kami ng Popeyes. Yung parang nag-ano ako, nagmukbang-mukbang ng Popeyes. Pinadala ko sa kanya lahat, nagtira lang ako ng 3 wings, puro wings, 3. Sabi pa niya, pinadala mo na lahat, wala nang sayo, kainin mo na, wala kang pagkain yan. Sa ano ko, sabi ko sa kanya, ano talagang ibig mo sabihin, Han? What do you really mean? I'm not gonna eat that all. I'm not gonna eat all. I just need a few something. Saka yun, natawa na lang ako sa kanya kasi puro na lang lahat ipapakain sa akin. Naguguluhan ako tong asawa ko. Kakain lang ako ng lunch at saka pagkatapos nito, punta na din ako sa Walmart. Kasi gusto ko nang bahambag. Si Tami, guys, ayaw niyang magsuot ng Santa Claus kasi kailan mo ako nakikita nagsusuot ng Santa Clausan? Hindi naman palaging Christmas, ha, suot ka na lang ng suot ng Makati itong ano dito. So, pero sabi niya, pag susuotin ko, pag nakakita ka ng bahambag na shirt, ng Christmas shirt, itim, or kahit ano, basta kay, yung pang Christmas na shirt, at saka may print na ano, bahambag. Ito talagang asawa ko, puno lang patawa. Hala ka, oy, naglumoy man, oy, nasubrahan man akong kainit, oy. 1 minute daw na ako siya ininit. Ay, okay naman siya pala. Meron ng ano, hindi na pwedeng ketchup kasi may ketchup na sa loob. Ilagay ko siya dito. Ganyan naman ako guys palagi. Inano ko siya ng tissue. Bahambag. Iyon. May ketchup, may tomato, may lettuce, at saka may cheese. May lettuce siya guys. May lettuce. Litos ba? Litos. Yung lipstick ko mawala to. Sarap. Oh my god, nasaktan ng wait ko. Napaa ko. I hate when that happen. Hello, or I bite my gum dyan sa letra sa loob. Sarap. Sarap. May mga times talaga guys na yung hindi ako feeling umalis. May mga time na ganyan, kailangan kong pumunta sa Walmart. Pero may time talaga na like you just hindi naman may time, parang all the time naman ako want to stay. Like just stay on my laptop, filming, edit. It's just I don't feel like going somewhere. This is my personality even then before mahilig akong maglakad-lakad, pero ayaw yung mga gusto ko na talaga kung anong ginagawa ko ngayon. Dito na lang ako at saka ito nakatingin na lang, samtang ako nagtuk-tok-tok. Totoo bang ikaw ay buntis? What? Buntis na ba ikaw? No. Hey, buntis na ba ikaw? 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 Yeah, mataba siya guys dahil mataba naman talaga siya. Poor Dimples. I love her. I love my Dimples. She cried so much every night guys. I don't know guys. Look at my man baby ni mama. Love ni mama. Oy. Pinangga man na ni mama. Ito I love. Love. Okay, you behave ha. I'll be right back. Bantayan nyo ang bahay ha, Roxy ha. Keep the house safe. Okay, wag magpapasok ng kahit sino, okay? Wag magpapasok kahit sino. Uy, ang ginaw guys. Sobrang ginaw. Ang ginaw. Hala, I don't even close the car. $1990 love songs. Then tayo sa mga love song na yan guys. Mahilig tayo sa love song. Mag-charge din tayo. Mag-charge tayo. Tayo. Hi guys. Tapos na ako guys. Andito na ako sa sasakyan. Ay, nakakaloka talaga. Yung magmadali ka kasi ayaw mo ngandun ka. Yung line guys, sobra yung line sa tindahan ay doon sa dito sa Walmart. Ang line sobrang taas. Ang nasa unahan mo nag-stuck hanggang 1 oras dahil nagka-problema. Pagkatapos nun, 'di ba, dito sa Walmart, dito kasi dito sa lugar na to, may guard, may guard ba dito sa sa paglabas mo. So, yung cat food o yung dog food hindi ko na sinulod, hindi ko na inano sa cellophane. So, nilagay ko na lang sa cart ng walang at dapat lagyan ng paid ng cashier, pero ang nangyari hindi nalagyan. So he's looking the whole list. Yung binili ko, tinitignan niya kung meron ba dun yung canned food na ako guys, dahil sabi ko gusto mong bumalik kasi sobrang na mas natagalan pa lalo. But anyway, I have to call my husband first before I go yapin.
Hello?
Hi.
Hey,
Where are you?
upstairs.
Lying down, I guess.
Yeah, my head's pounding. Where are you?
Just get in the car and driving home.
Okay, you get the dog food up.
Yeah.
You find your sweater.
No, there's no sweater, bahambagoy.
Did you find yours?
They're all big.
You what?
They're all big.
They're all big. I'm sure they're not all big.
Yes, it is. Han, what do you want me to wear? Like a freaking very lousy Santa Claus or very lousy Christmas tree thing? I cannot even find yours. They don't have a man thing.
Why don't you look in the girls section? Why don't you look in the girls section?
They don't. No. No. I just forget it. There is another one. It's a bunny rabbit over there. It's a very cute one. It's 14 bucks. I said, this is very cute, but I don't get it. It's 14 bucks.
Oh, no, it's 14. Oh, there's not a lot of money for a sweater.
Yes. It's a lot.
No,
And
it's not. I don't know. How much do you pay for a sweater that's pretty good?
$7, 6.
Yeah, okay. $7 is either junk or clearance. And you're not going to get Christmas stuff on clearance before Christmas, so it's probably junk.
And I found a GoPro, and I was thinking, I don't know if I will get it. I don't get it. It's like 19 something. It's like 20 bucks, but it's a big GoPro. It's not a strong one. It's good. But I was thinking, I was still thinking if I get it. I don't get it.
What is it?
Not a GoPro. It's a tripod.
Oh, tripod.
Yeah, the one that is flexible and is strong looking, and then I can bend it everywhere. If I go shopping, I can bend it in the cart like that.
So why did you get it?
I don't know. I was thinking if I get it or not.
You're already there. It doesn't make sense, Hunter. You don't make sense. You're there. Why don't you just get it?
Well, I'm already out.
I don't know. You gotta use your head sometimes, man.
Huh?
You gotta use your head sometimes. It costs you half of that just so you'll get laughed at.
No, I don't know if I will. Maybe I can find in Amazon cheaper, you know.
You know, maybe not. It's different. Could they save $1 or $2? You know.
I was really like freaking, you know, in the line. The line is really long. Plus ahead of us, it takes forever, like an hour to fix something because it's something messed up on in the cashier, huh?
Sometimes you can get it and do the self-service on it.
No.
Find some item.
Like, and then when I got out because the dog food,
Yeah.
the dog food I don't put in the freaking cellophane in the Walmart cellophane. What happened was they're like,
You dropped them.
no, the guard is like, it's like looking the whole list. I said, oh, only one over here. I just go, do you want to go to I told him, do you want to go to the cashier? It's just like ridiculous. I just pay this one. I don't freaking steal anything.
It's their job. A lot of people shoplift in the holidays.
Yeah, but he
A
says
lot of people steal things during the holidays. Though.
next time I'm gonna put everything in the bag because seems like it's suspicious to them if it's not in the bag.
Honey, he's doing his job.
I know, hon, but it's like I'm in the line already for hours and people
It doesn't matter. He's not staring at you in line. You know how many people go in the line? They leave stuff in the cart that they don't pay for, and then they walk out. Okay. That's why they hire these people. That's why he's got a job.
I know, that's why next time I will put
But you
everything
can't
in
get
the
mad
bag.
when they're doing. You can get mad when they're doing his job.
I'm just aggravated that I'm in the line and then after that I stay in there waiting for him to find out that it's still in the list, the dog food. Hi guys, I am home. Kita ako ng cellphone case, kinuha ko siya guys. $6 lang ito guys. Kinuha ko agad guys. Alam nyo ba kung magkaano ito guys yung mga cellphone cases na to? Mahal guys, as in binili. Ang problema lang nito is mahirapan ako dito. Sobrang tigas guys. Very good to protect my phone, this cellphone case. Tignan muna natin kung ano ba to, kung okay ba ito. Ay, naku, ang sakit, guys. Ang sakit! Tignan niyo. I like it. Ang ganda niya. Of course, this is very strong. You can tell. Grabe ka ang ano talaga. Sobra, this one is very like kind of soft. It's really soft. Pero ito guys, sobrang feel mo na talaga na strong siya talaga. Hindi siya, you know, yung hindi siya mo madaling mabend. It's time to do laundry. Yes, Rox. Mama is doing laundry. Itong dalawang aso hindi kumain, guys. Tignan nyo naman yun. Nakatingin na lang. So, Mama have to do laundry. You know, dahil tomorrow is vacuuming day. So, yeah. Kunin ko lang itong mga labahan ko. Meron pang labahan dito, yung sinuot ni Tami. At saka magsusuot lang ako ng komportableng sayal. Naglaylay nga sayal. Yung saya ba? Yung sayal. Oh my God. Laundry never end, guys. I'll be right back, Rox. I'll be right back. Alam nyo ba, itong stairway namin, lagyan ko ng mga picture dito, papunta doon at doon. Pero, hindi sa ngayon. Yun lang naman ang mga plano ko, guys. Yung marami akong plano, sana matupad. Kasi alam nyo naman, mahirap magpatupad ng plano. Ay, tignan nyo to. Sunod ng sunod yung isang doon, no? Tignan nyo lang. Tignan, susunod yan. Oh, hala. Patay. Meron pa pala akong laundry na. Ay, nako. Tignan nyo, guys. Meron pa akong... Ay, nako. Nakakaloka naman ito. Eh, ba't palagi ko na lang nakakalimutan na may labahan ako dito? Nako talaga. Ngit-ngit dito, guys, kasi yung light. Magdi-dinner na ako, guys, kasi alam nyo naman, guys, alas 6:30 na, guys. Gutom na yung lula nyo, guys. Jasmine rice, guys. Ang bango talaga ng jasmine, no? As in, si Tami, binilhan talaga ako. Ito na yung Christmas gift niya sa akin, guys. Jasmine rice. Ay, nako. Well, hindi ako nagluto at saka gusto ko maraming kanin kasi hindi ako kumakain ng kanin kanina. Yung burger yung kinakain ko, guys. Burger, guys. So, ang kakainin ko is, I don't wanna eat this corn. I'll eat this tomorrow. Yung corn na niluto ko when Tami was here with his mother. Alam, may sasabihin pala ako, guys. Yung biyanan ko ba, nag-usap kami ni Tami. Hindi naman kakatawa-tawa. Ano lang ba, natawa ako sa reaksyon ng asawa ko, guys. Hindi ako natawa dahil sa biyanan ko, dahil yun ang nangyayari, yun, kung ano man sinabi ng asawa ko. Natawa ako sa reaksyon ng asawa ko. Sabi pa ni Tami, nabuang na daw siya, nabuang na daw siya, kay ano daw, yung ina daw niya. Nawala naman daw ng ano, hindi ko na alam. Maraming nawawala talaga yan sa matanda, guys. Hindi ko na alam. Yung biyanan ko, daming gamit na nawawala. Sabi pa niya, nawala na naman ito. Meron na nawala daw nawala na ito. Sabi ni Tami, hindi na daw niya, hindi na pinakinggan. Dami daw nawawala. Tinatago niya, pati yung bag niya. Si Tami lang at saka siya lang sa bahay, ha. Sabi pa ni Tami, alam mo, yung kahit yung bag niya, tinatago, natutulog kasama na daw yung bag. Sabi pa niya, tatawag ako ng pulis. Oh my God, my leg. Sabi pa ng biyanan, tatawag ako ng pulis. Ay, guys, tatawag daw siya ng pulis. Guys, ang reaksyon ng asawa ko, guys, ay nakakatawa. Sabi pa niya, hala, tatawag ka ng pulis. Natawa ako, sabi niya, hala, tatawag ka ng pulis para ako ang kunin, para kunin ako at saka ilagay sa prisuhan. At saka, mag-isa ka na lang. Sabi ko sa asawa ko, oh my God, Han, your reaction is so over dramatic. Oh my God, napapagod na yung asawa ko, guys. Uy, kawawa naman yung asawa ko, eh. Napapagod ba mentally? Yung asawa ko. Ako din mentally, yung nandun ako, grabe, guys. Grabe talaga. Parang, bumubuto na, parang bubuto lahat ba? So, natawa ako, sabi ko, hala, patawagin mo siya, Han, di ba? Yung hindi ikaw ang kukunin, kundi yung biyanan ko yung kukunin, kasi kapag nalaman nila may ano nang yung ina niya, at saka walang kasama palagi, at saka magtatrabaho yung asawa ko, sabi ko, hala, hindi ikaw ang kukunin nila yung ina mo, at saka ilagay sa mga bahay ng matanda, kasi yung mga dito, guys, yung mga bahay sa matanda, doon sila, and hindi si Tammy papayag talaga, guys. Punta na tayo sa taas. Gusto ko lang magligid-ligid. Bukas ko na lang yung tapusin yung nilaban ko, guys. Ganun naman talaga palagi ang nangyayari. Magbibihis ako ng pantulog. And thank you guys so much. Good night, guys. So, salamat guys sa panonood. Kita-kits na lang tayo bukas. And yeah, so the dogs are here. Doon sila. Yung kama nila na gamitin. Si Misty gamitin niya. Paminsan hindi. Bahala na. But anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. So bukas na lang tayo guys sa ulit. Bye. Good night guys. Ano nang oras? It's 17. Aga talaga ako matulog guys. Bye bye. Pero sabi nila bago na itong bahay na to. 2004. Pero nakatira daw sila dito.